kind of like made a decision on Big Bad Wolf. Selling it, I think. We're going to have to. Running out of cash. So if you're interested in a project to do up, a lot of the hard work of ripping it out has already taken place. It is for sale.
Hello.
Hello. Well, we're back at it. Well, I was at it all day yesterday.
Yeah, I was car booting.
Today is Sunday. We didn't go car booting today.
No, we went yesterday. Me and Mum went to a big car boot, Twin Oaks, yesterday. So.
Yeah. But yeah, we're a bit fair weather car booters, really, aren't we?
yeah.
We don't want none of that.
Don't want to get wet. Well, when you're selling t-shirts, you don't want to get them wet.
Don't want to get them wet.
No.
So do you want to take them round?
Here's the van. I can't get in the van. I'm gone. See, when I was at the car boot yesterday, I should have bought the caravan step. I should have listened to Mother and bought the caravan step. I didn't buy it.
Hello! Push that thing off. YouTube don't like it.
Oh, don't like it.
Don't like the music, YouTube doesn't. Yeah, you get a slap on the hand. It's called a copyright strike, I believe. Playing somebody else's music on your video. But we haven't got anywhere near enough subscribers yet, so what the hell are you doing?
Why has it just gone off?
It hasn't gone off. Touch the screen.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it's saving power, you see. Yeah, it's not enough of you subscribing. Get on it, thumbs up, smash the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and ding the bell. What are you playing at, guys? Anyway, rant over. That's your bollocking, Sunday bollocking over and done with. So Carol's gone quiet now.
Yeah.
Come on, entertain.
Entertain.
Let me entertain you. Yeah, I'm not good at singing. I've got no timing, no tune.
No.
But
Right.
I'm still the best singer in the world.
Yes. All the right words, but in the wrong order. What do you see in the shelves?
You need to clean the shelves.
I think you've already seen the video people have already seen the shelves.
Only briefly. The one you've seen it from down here.
That's at the shelves.
Yeah. You're supposed to be the host with the mostest, or the hostess.
Hostess with the mostess.
The hostess with the mostest. Did I put you off there?
You probably hear the binkling on the phone. Well, that's apparently I think that's going to be something to do with Leeds playing Cardiff today. And then we're still thinking of this sort of area here. Going back to the idea of using the mattress off the bed for here as a seating arrangement, and really looking at getting it'd be like a small double or 3/4 bed mattress to go on the bed behind us. Keeps finding mini Oreos.
Cheers.
Are we meant to pixel out the word Oreo?
No, that's okay.
No. Must be picture again.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Little mini Oreos.
So we can
they
eat
are
as many.
so nice. Right, where are we at? It's been a productive couple of days actually. I didn't really get started till midday yesterday, but I was here at the farm just after 9 o'clock this morning, and I've cracked on. Still disappointed that I haven't got as far as I want to, but hey, I'm making so many mistakes. It's frustrating. In fact, I think I did have a little bit of a temper tantrum yesterday. But so I can't really remember what you've seen so far. So it might be worth my taking you for a little wander. How's about that? I've got you on my phone down here, so I'm just checking to see that I'm in frame, alright. Just take a look at this view and get your imagination flowing. Just imagine opening those back doors onto a wonderful view. Amazing, eh? Well, I certainly think so. I'm actually using the GoPro. Now, I've had this GoPro sat in my camera bag for about a year or so and not really used it. So, I quite like it actually. I hope so, anyway. I don't know. But let's take you for a little wander around. I've built a little bench seat. So there's a bench seat. It's a squeeze for 2 people. So that's pretty good, isn't it? Apple crates. Now we've had plenty of these. I think I mentioned it in the last video. Plenty of those. So I've decided to utilise them. 6 crates. So yeah, you've got 6 crates in there. So how cool is that? Also, drawers. I think I showed you this before. No, that's a bit ridiculous. We don't need to actually have them out that far. And this is the one that I made a mess with. There's 2 of those. Fair size. I've also made a drawer at the bottom here as well. Now there are 2 of those drawers. Just like that. Now it's a bit unstable. Underneath here. Voila. That. There we go. It sits on a little lip over there. I think that lip is a little bit of overkill, so I might just trim that up a little bit more. But all of a sudden, it's sturdy. And fits away nicely. Slides back. That's the handiwork so far. I'll be absolutely truthful with you. Complete and utter beginner. Novice. Never done anything like this before. Never made any cupboards, drawers or anything else like that. I've made so many mistakes. Luckily, I didn't cut that many pieces of plywood up. I just had to trim them down, luckily. So let's walk to the back of the van and see what we can see. Absolutely glorious day today. So that's the back. Those drawers can't come out because that's solid. But the great thing is, we've got somewhere to put our drinks when we're laying on the bed and watching the view. So this comes out both ways, and it is an absolute. That's great, isn't it? Yeah, just slides. Just need to push it up underneath there. Thought that was ingenious. And here, this is where the generator is going to go. That makes room when the awning comes out, although I've got to make it fit. Yeah, I've got to make it fit somehow. Not entirely sure how I'm going to do that, but this as well, the generator, is going to be our only source of power at this moment in time. I don't think I'm going to have the money in place to have the solar panels. I was hoping to, but unfortunately I'm not earning any money at this moment in time, and finances are getting a little bit tight, so I've got to concentrate on getting that done. It's as simple as that. What is important is that we need to get the gas 12 volt electric sorted out. That's where the money has to go, I'm afraid. don't think the gas is going to be too much of a problem, but I need to make sure that I can get a Propex heater running. I also need to get a hot water heater running as well. I also need to check the underslung tanks, which you might be able to see them underneath here. So that's one, and there's another one on the other side. Waste. No, it's on here. See it? Just through that gap. Plastic. This has been disconnected. So that comes directly from the sink. So I need to sort that out as well. We're getting there. The build's coming on. I do want to get a mountain bike in here as well. But I mean, so much stuff has got to fit in here. This particular drawer that I made, get rid of that. That's to stop it from flying everywhere. And there are two separate drawers. You probably can see the one at the back there. Maybe not. Maybe you can. Hard to tell with this small screen. The kissing drills. I'm not exactly happy at the moment. I built this thing, I'm sure you can see it, but I've cocked it up. I have. And see if you can spot it. Can you see up there? One side is longer than the other. Now that is a wardrobe, and I've not been looking forward to building it, I'll be honest with you. I'm happy with the idea of it, and I suppose a lot of you will be wondering, why don't I make it larger? You have the bed there, and you've got the wardrobe. If that wardrobe, say, came to the end here, and out that far, what you would end up having, but imagine, if you can, that enclosed gap to there. Anyway, that's about the negatives. I can sort that out. I'm going to get my little nibbler out. This amazing tool, let me show you that. This, let me show you. Cut this little corner bit off. Watching. How cool's that? I don't know. The bottom's alright. That looks pretty square. It's just the top. Now, cutting it isn't a good idea. Let's go to plan B. Let's just leave it as it is. It'll do for what we need it for. I'm not going to mess around with it. All I'm going to do is put a cover over the front here. I mean, Carol has got somewhere to hang her beautiful dresses. I hope she's happy with this. Emily's donated a couple of pieces of wood. Thanks, Emily. Here we go. Need some work. See about this living edge as well. Sand that back. The idea is for it to sit across here. So that's pretty awesome. Kind of like made a decision on Big Bad Wolf. Do you want to buy it? If you do, I've got an email below. Drop me a line. Let me know. It's got an MOT till March 2021. It's got 6 brand new tyres on it. Very, very good condition. That's got to be somewhere in the region of 800 quid at least, I would say. There's a 6-cylinder engine. It starts first time. Chassis is fantastic. Well, it's not fantastic, but it's solid. It's clean, free of rust and bubbling and deterioration. The bodywork, as in not the cab, but the back of it, Well, I'll leave that for you to decide what you need to do with that. But it is going to have to go. I ain't got any money coming in. Now, if I had known that this van here, Morrighan, that we're in that now, was available, I wouldn't have bought that. This would have been a project, and this would have been the thing. So I need to release some money from that so that I can finish this off. So I've got to get solar sorted out. So I've got to get the 12-volt electric sorted out. It all takes money, and I ain't got it. So pass it about. If you know people that want to buy a Leyland Roadrunner with a 6-cylinder Cummins engine, 130 brake horsepower, non-turbo, then give me a shout. So yeah, so we'll see you in a bit. Alright, bye bye. Look at this. What do you reckon of that, Carol? The hot water works. There's air in the pipe, obviously, but the cold water doesn't work.